getting ready. We're gonna pack that truck, that one, and we'll go to the auction site, Richie Bros. It's not far from us, like 40 minutes away. When going to the auction, you always have to be ready. So we're gonna take jump starter. That's what I got, in case the battery is dead on the car. Also a few jumper cables and the tire inflator. And we are ready. Let's go. I almost forgot our favorite tools. They save you everywhere. Almost there. Here we are.
In 1,000 feet, slide left at Ritchie Road.
Okay, we're gonna go check in now and see where our stuff is. That's a big auction site. Yeah, that's our pickup, I think. Right here. Oh, 166. Oh, no. I will check it out. No, I don't think it's the one. 132, right here. Decent condition for $3,000, 2016 Chevy. Nice, big space. All right, let's try to start it. Oh, it works. Works like a champ. Great, great buy. $3,000. I cannot believe that. Amazing. Can you pop the hood? Works like a clock. Yeah, looks really, really good. We got check engine light. We'll check it later. Well, look, I think it looks very good. I mean, for a service truck, that would be amazing. Yep. Well, even comes with bolts. We'll go check another one. I got also one more box truck, and we'll check a few trailers. Okay, we decided to split up because the yard is way too big. I'm gonna go find another box truck. I want to check condition because we're gonna pick up it later. I want to be prepared. You never know what's gonna happen there. Like, what are you gonna face? So I'll go find it right now. Look at those spotters, guys. I love those. They're amazing. They're really good for shop. If you have a shop, trailer shop, you must have it. It saves you so much time. Oh my God, I cannot believe this truck is so good. Really, for $3,000, just unbelievable. Okay, we are getting close. 1626. This is our guy. Let's check it out. Hopefully it starts. Tires look good. Not so good. I think it's gonna make it. This one is 2014. Of course, comes with the garbage. Wherever. Window is cracked. And let's see if it starts. Dead. Jump. Ooh, check this out. You're gonna need a weld here. All right, let's see. A little touch up. Okay. Oh, battery looks okay. Everything looks okay. Well, we'll come back with the jumper. Let's check what's inside. Oh, these tires flat. Okay, good we have a pump with us. Look at that. Roll up door. Cool. Good enough. Works for me. Nice. All right, let's bring jumper and start it. Okay, let's see. Here you go. Here you go. It's alive. Oops. Have to try again. Let's give it a few minutes. We found one of the trailers. Let's check it out. This one is 2023. There's our K aluminum rims. That's good. Yeah, looks decent. Check what's inside. Yeah, I don't see any leaks. This one was 25,000 for 2023 utility trailer. Guys, when you buy, oh no, there's a little damage. It's a little cosmetic. When you buy trailers from the auction, make sure you check every detail on the picture, because I almost got screwed with one trailer. Look at that. New brakes. Not new, but good ones. One trailer it was like brand new from outside, and I was saying 2024, but somebody replaced the slider, the tandem, completely, the whole box. I don't remember how they call it, but the whole box was like from trailer 20, oh, I mean, not 20, like 1986 or something. Everything was rusty, super old. That would be big expense, and that trailer was sold for 25,000. That would be for you, if you don't have a shop, to replace around like 10,000. So it's a bad buy. Make sure you always inspect everything before you bid on it. Let's pull it out. A little damage on the top, but whatever. A little caulking. We can patch it there. That should be easy. Now we're gonna go to that place where we checked in. We have to give them paperwork, and they will inspect what we picked up. And that's it pretty much. That's how it's done here at the auction. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll give you more details. And if you like the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more. Thank you.